Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to display hidden files on Linux. So at the beginning we will go into terminal, and maybe I will start with the introduction, because in Linux any file or directory that starts with dot is considered hidden, and they are commonly called dot files. So right now I will show you how to view a hidden file, because with a simple command ls, that stands for lists, we don't see a hidden files. We have to add an option. This option will list all files, and of course it is ls minus and a. That stands for all, and as you can see it is including a hidden files. So we have something, for example, like maybe bashrc. This is basically the white ones are files, the blue ones are directories. So ssh is a directory, bashrc is a file. So what is a bashrc? For example, this is a bash configuration. For example, we have a profile. This is a shell environment configuration. We have ssh. This is a directory. This is a place when we store ssh keys and settings. For example, we have a .config. Here we store application configuration. So as you can see, we have a lot of hidden files right there. We can of course add a L option that will show us more details about these files. So for example, the permissions, the sizes, and the date of last modification. So it works like this. Of course we can create a hidden file, so we can do something like this. Touch, maybe I will clear this terminal, and right now touch, and we will start with dot and hidden file like this. As you can see right now we don't see this file right there, but if I will list all, our file that we created before, the .hidden file, is right there. This file basically works like every other file, so you can just edit it. So we can use nano hidden file and write something inside it. Write something inside. So maybe this is a hidden file. I will press Ctrl O, enter, and Ctrl X. As you can see, I can right now, I think, cut it. So cut hidden file like this, and we have this is a hidden file. And of course we still don't see this file right there. This is how it works. Of course we can move it with the move command. We can copy it with the copy command. It is the same like every other file. We can, for example, edit this bash file from there. So we can do something like this. So for example, nano.bashrc. As you can see, this file, as I said before, contains a bash configuration. So I will maybe close that. And right now, of course, we can remove this file. So even though we don't see this hidden file right there, we can remove it. So rm hidden file, and if I will type in ls minus a, as you can see it was right there, but it is no longer here because I removed it with this rm command. And I think this is pretty simple. This is all in this video. If you know how to create, edit, and do many other things with hidden files or folders, you can leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.